Hi, I'm JD, and what we're going to be doing today is multiplying fractions. I put two examples on the board. The raised dot is another way of saying multiplication. So let me read the problems to you. The first one is 1/2 times 3 over 5. The second one is 3/8 times 20 over 15. So if you would, pause the video and see if you can try these ones on your own. Alright, when you're multiplying fractions, it's very straightforward. It's very straightforward because you just multiply across. Do not get it confused with what's called cross multiplication. That's when you have an equal sign. Here there is no equal sign. You're simply multiplying. So you simply multiply across. What's 1 times 3? Right, that's 3. And what's 2 times 5? Yes, it's just 10. So the answer for the first one is 3/10. It's pretty straightforward. Now this guy here, you can multiply it across and then simplify it, or this is what I prefer, is you can simplify it first. Now there's two ways to simplify it. One is within the same fraction, right? If the numerator and denominator have something in common, then you can simplify that. And also diagonally, if they have a common factor, you can, cancel things out that way. If I look at 20 and 15, things cancel out, right? 20 and 15 are both divisible by 5. So how many times does 5 go into 20? Right, 4 times. So that's a 4. How many times does, let me write that bigger. Yes, that's a 4. And how many times does 5 go into 15? Yes, 3 times. Now, I can also do it diagonally. Now, I noticed right off the bat that the 3's, right, have what in common? Yes, 3. So, how many times does 3 go into 3? Once. How many times does 3 go into 3? Once. Now I have 8 and 4. What do they have in common? They do have a 2 in common, but what's the greatest common factor? Yes, 4. So how many times does 4 go into 8? Yes, twice. And how many times does 4 go into 4? Once. So then you just multiply across what you have. After you do this method, there's a 1 here, 2 here, and 1 here. You simply multiply across. What's 1 times 1? Yes, it's 1. What is 2 times 1? 2. And so your answer is simply 1/2. And that's it.